Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 guys. Any year, any generation, from practically year 2007 to year 2021 currently. Stay with us, we'll explain how to remove and replace a rear windshield wiper. All that will be covered in this video today. Now, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these videos for you. Now, if you need to buy any parts tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. If you need to buy a new wiper, you can find it there as well. All that will be covered there. So this is the Fiat 500 that we'll be demonstrating on. So let me explain what you need to do guys, okay, and how you're going to actually replace that wiper. So right here now, okay, that cover, you grab it on two ends, careful not to grab too much, open it and move it up. Now you can pull the wiper up like that. So next, okay, let me show you. You need to come in an angle like that. You grab that wiper, okay, and you just gently pull out, okay, like that, and then it comes out, okay, in a specific angle. You can see it just like that. That's the old wiper that's practically shot, and now we'll explain how to install the new one, okay, and where you can get it from. This is your new one guys, okay, right here. So now it's pretty simple. You align everything, okay, you go here in an angle, you close it, you put it down, you close that cap, and you're ready to go. Believe it or not, it takes you a very short amount of time to do that. So for any of you that need to do that guys, I hope it was helpful. If you need to buy one, I'll put the link where you can get it for a really good price guys, way cheaper than going to the dealership. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.